All right, let's look at some clues in this hypothetical example of momentum to see whether we add, subtract, multiply, or divide the mass and the velocity of an object. Let's say hypothetically, if you start at 3 centimeters and you have the car that has no extra weight on it, that it goes down with a mass of 10 and a velocity of 10. Then your momentum would be 100. Now, we're not going to worry about the units just yet. We'll get to that later because it makes things sound more complicated, even though they're not really. They're just units. Okay, let's say, for example, that we raise the car up here and that doubles the velocity. Well, the way momentum works, if you double the velocity, then you double the amount of momentum you have. Do you have a clue as to how these are related? Let's say that a different way as well. Let's say that we add this ketchup packet of science onto the top of our car, and the ketchup packet from the same height, the ketchup packet causes it to double its mass. Well, if you double the mass, you're also going to double. Let's think of that for a moment. I didn't change the speed. I rolled from the same height. I just doubled the mass, and it doubled the. How are mass and velocity used to come up with this amount that we call momentum?